Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper and Twine, and I am on to pull the first prompt for hashtag PT Tag Club. And I'm just going to show you some prompts that have been suggested that I've added to the mix. So we've got raspberry, strawberry, daisy, apple, recycle, cogs, cake, snakes and ladders, teabag, threads, circus, fairground, seaside, music hall, repetition, icon, warhole, Egyptian, medieval, splash, upside down, mirror, aboriginal, eastern promise, mini, damask, layers, butterflies and harlequin. So Anthony, who is old git, suggested quite a lot of those. Claire Cartwright suggested layers and butterflies, and was it oh gosh, I can't remember who suggested damask and harlequin. But if you want to suggest any more, please do go ahead. So I'm just going to cut these up and add them to the pot. And while I'm just cutting them up, just to reiterate that there is absolutely no obligation to join in this collaboration, or whatever you want to call it, club, every month. If you don't like the prompt, don't do it. And just remember that a prompt is just that. It is designed to get the creative juices flowing. And I'm going to talk to you about how many prompts I'm going to pull in a minute. But just, yeah, please just join in. Those are the ones that are already in there, so I'll save that scrap paper for something else. Just join in as and when you want to. Yeah, it's not like a proper collaboration that you sign up to that's limited to a number of people and you have to upload at a certain time by a certain date. You know, just do what you can, when you want to. I'm just cutting these so that they're roughly the same size. And thank you to those of you who have watched the mini album tutorial. I think that I will draw for that at the end of this video, I think, or shall I do it later? I don't know. To be honest with you, I haven't looked to see who has made a comment. A couple of people have commented but said please don't enter me because I've made my own. But of course, you know, you could use it for anything. It doesn't have to be for tags, and depending on the prompt that's pulled and the style of my tag will depend on how I affix them to the page. Yeah, so just talk amongst yourselves, get Barry to get you a drink. I'm very excited by this, I have to say, very excited. And thank you to those people who suggested prompts. It's not too late to suggest any more, you know, if you've got other ideas. I want to keep it kind of fairly open. And we've got a mix in here of subject matter, themes, techniques, things that you might use like layers or book pages or pockets. But as I say, it is just, a prompt is just a guide. You don't have to follow it slavishly. Now, in terms of how many prompts I am going to pick, if there are 31 days in the month, I'm going to pick 2 prompts. These are going to go in our pot now. Yeah, if there are 31 days in the month, I'm going to pick 2 prompts. If there are 30 days in the month, or obviously if it's February, I'm going to pick one prompt. And on the days where I pick two, or on the months where I pick two, you can either do both prompts or just one. It's up to you. This isn't a competition. It's not designed to make you feel anxious. It's designed, you know, for you to dip in and out of, have fun with, and just, you know, maybe try something a little bit different. Because I haven't really made a lot of tags. I've done them for a couple of collaborations, but yeah, I've never really made tags. And I can see through my extensive scrolling of Pinterest that they are a very popular thing indeed. And I think my tag is something like 11 or 11.5 centimetres by 8 centimetres. And so I've made my album with that dimension in mind. But you could make teeny tiny little tags. You could make bigger tags. You can make your own tags out of packaging or card, or buy your tags from the pound shop. It is entirely up to you. Nearly done. You can tell I'm not very fast, but I've taken the lid off this pot, and the smell from that lovely oxy action is very nice. I need it on my bedding, this oxy action white, because I got some stuff from the Body Shop. It's like a shimmer body spray, and I put some on my legs yesterday because the sun was out and I was wearing a dress, and then sat on the bed to put some nail varnish on my toenails, and yeah, there were stains from the spray. I'd rubbed it in. There were stains on the sheet, yes. So Mr. Paper&Twine wasn't very impressed with that. So yes, we need to get some stain remover on that. Last two going in. And I could do with a little notebook, couldn't I, just for this? But perhaps that could be another month's idea, because I've always got the video to refer back to, haven't I? So we're giving it a really good shake, rattle and roll. Really good shake, rattle and roll. And because there are 31 days in May, and I'm looking at my little desk calendar that the lovely Christine of Christine's Cards and Things gifted me at Christmas. Very useful it is too. I can see that there are 31 days in May, so I'm digging deep. There's the first prompt. And the second prompt. So we've got energetic and precise. Ooh, that's going to be food for thought, isn't it? Yes, energetic and precise. Somebody did say to me, Ashley, are we going to see the tags that you make? And I said, yes, of course. So I shall, at some point during the course of the next month, do a tag, possibly two, with this prompt, energetic and precise. Don't forget, if you take part, to use the hashtag on whatever social media platform you use, so that I can have a look and see what you've made. Do take care, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow. Gosh, it's one of those weeks again with lots of videos. I am sorry. I'll be back tomorrow because it's Hilary from Pink Bubble Cards, Alphabet Challenge, Letterpress. That's giving me a bit of food for thought as well. On that note, I shall love you and leave you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care, everybody. Bye now.